Are you looking for a way to make some extra money this summer? With so much free time on your hands, why not start a side hustle? In this video, we're going to share with you guys a few side hustle ideas that you guys can start today. Finding a job can be really hard, especially if you're under the age of 18. Quick important note before you start your side hustle. If you earn over a certain amount of money per quarter, our friends at the IRS will actually require you to file taxes and report how much money you earned with your side hustles. We highly recommend that you talk to a parent or guardian for guidance before you start your side hustle. Or you guys can also just visit the IRS website and see what their rules and regulations are. There are so many things that you guys can do for your side hustle, and it can be a little overwhelming to just pick one. To start off, we recommend doing something that matches your interests. Dog walker and pet sitting. If you are responsible and you love animals, consider becoming the neighborhood pet sitter or dog walker. This is a great way for you to spend time with man's best friend, like my boy Luca here. Now obviously, I can't walk my own dog for money, so I'd recommend hitting up your friends, neighbors, family, or posting some flyers around your neighborhood to get out your business. You can also download apps or sign up for some sites like Rover to find out some more information. Now, if you're really good with computers and you know the difference between CPU, RAM, motherboards, GPUs, and all these other technical things, or you're really good at fixing phone screens or water damage, considering offering your services to friends, families, and neighbors for some extra cash. I personally don't do computer repairs, but I am very knowledgeable about computers, and if you know what you're looking for, you can actually resell some stuff pretty easily. Photographer or videographer. Do you love going out to take photos or making videos? If you do, then you should look into becoming a photographer or videographer. Yes, having nice equipment can improve your photos a little bit, but all you really need nowadays is a good smartphone camera, a good eye for photography and videography, and the ability to edit raw photos and video. Need proof? Check out these Time magazine covers that were shot on an iPhone. And remember, the best camera is the one that's with you. Social media assistant. If you know everything about TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, or any of these other social media platforms, why not become a social media assistant? This is a great opportunity to help people stay connected, sell some products, and up their social media game. Slight plug, but if you guys are on TikTok, go check out Get Schooled's TikTok. We recently started it and we're about to hit 3,000 followers and would love your support. Do you consider yourself a pro when it comes to games like League of Legends, Dota, Valorant, Battlefield, or Call of Duty? Did you know that you can get paid to teach people these games or just play with them? Yes, you heard me correctly. Websites like Gamer Sensei will match you up with students who are willing to pay to up their skills in games that you've already mastered. It's like going to a sports clinic or having a coach teach you. I personally have never taught anyone for money, but I have taught my friends how to play a lot of games like League of Legends. If you guys are looking for some more side hustle ideas, hit the link down in the description below. We're gonna have a full list of side hustle jobs that you guys can get started, and if you guys are looking for some jobs, Get Schooled can get you connected. Just head on over to GetSchooled.com to start your search, and you guys can get some help from one of our job advisors. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.